All right. Let me know when you're ready.
All right, I'm ready when y'all are.
All right. So we're doing our project on the Iceland volcanic eruption, and this is our volcano.
This is our table of contents.
This volcano is an ice-covered stratovolcano located in southern Iceland. Something that is unique about this volcano is that there's actually an ice cap located beneath it. That ice cap is estimated to be approximately 100 square kilometers in size. In present day, this volcano is currently a dormant volcano and is one of Iceland's top hiking tourism spots.
One fun fact is that this volcano single-handedly stranded over 10 million passengers. To put that into perspective, that's basically the same as grounding all of New York City and Los Angeles combined with no flights home. This volcano story showed us how one natural disaster in a small corner of the world could paralyze global travel by shutting down Europe's busiest skies. It proves how fragile the aviation industry is, and it even forced airlines and governments to rewrite safety rules to better handle volcanic ash in the future. Before 2010, aviation authorities followed a zero tolerance rule. If volcanic ash was detected in the air, all flights were grounded. That's why the eruption shut down nearly all of the European skies. After the chaos, authorities realized that that was too extreme. They changed the rules to allow flying in low to medium concentrations of ash as long as the aircraft was inspected and the airlines followed stricter safety guidelines.
Okay, so this is the impact on the environment and the biodiversity. This volcanic eruption contaminated the water with fluoride, and along with excess flooding due to glaciers melting. The ashfall from the volcano also damaged agriculture like crops and altered landscapes. Due to this volcanic eruption, it also caused habitat instability. This caused frequent dust storms after the volcano erupted, and many livestock lost their lives to the contaminated water in the ashfall. And the ashfall also prevented photosynthesis due to the thick layer of ash.
This is the eruption timeline. The seismic activity began on December 2009. Earthquake activity with the magnitudes from 1 to 3 started up. The first eruption started on March 20th, 2010 from the northeast side of the volcano. This first eruption produced the first lava with explosive activity. The main eruption began to increase with the explosive activity being driven by gas dissolving into the rise of magma in early May. The end of the eruption ended in the 23rd of May. Very little ash was being ejected from the volcano, and explosive activity slowed down to a stop.
This is the scientific significance of our volcano. So this volcano's most dangerous trait was its enormous ash cloud because it did a lot of damage to the biosphere and posed a large threat to aviation safety. Scientists discovered the cause of this phenomenon to be the low silica magma that was mixed with a large amount of water. Um, the significance for future predictions for the safety of civilian scientists will pay closer attention to the location and geological traits of volcanoes. For example, the volcano is located in southern Iceland and was covered in ice, which was the reasoning for the large amount of water that melted and mixed into the magma. Some of the positives of the volcano is that the ash cloud coverage allowed for fertilization of the soil for better suited conditions for agricultural life, and the recycling of CO2 from volcanic gases releasing in the environment is important for regulating climate globally. And here's our references page.